Alright, we're out at the range today. Going to try out the AR with the updated extractor. I got the steel ammo that we're going to try out. And everything's the same as it was shown in the last video, except we got the covers on the rail here. So we're going to try and see how this thing works out. Okay, take out some slates, Dad. Alright, the first magazine is still went fine. We're going to go ahead and try one more, this time with the bump board. Really give it the test here.
You're out.
Alright, after a day of shooting there, we put it in around about 60 rounds of steel through the AR today, and very, very impressed. Didn't have a single malfunction or anything. After the extractor upgrade, we've run a total of 60 rounds of the steel and 30 more of brass with 0 malfunctions. And you know, total we've put maybe 500 rounds through it, but now that we can go to steel, we can save a little bit of money on finding the cheap ammo. Thanks for watching.